Okay, friends, sorry about that. The video stopped on the last one, so here we are again. Ready? So what you have to do is you have to fill in the blank, fill in these sentences with one of these words. After you use the word, cross it out because you will not use it again. So the words to choose from are sick, visit, out, hare, cave, owl. So the panther was blank. Is it sick, visit, out, hare, cave, or owl? Whatever word you think it is, write it in the blank and then cross it out up here. Remember, as I'm reading this, if I'm going too fast, pause the video, write your word, and then unpause it and read the next sentence, and then pause the video, write your word, and then unpause it, and so on. The next sentence. He could not leave his blank. Sick, visit, out, hare, cave, owl. First, the panther said to the blank, I am sick. Who did he talk to first? Was it sick, visit, out, hare, cave, or owl? Will you blank me in my cave? Will you sick, visit, out, hare, cave, or owl? The owl went inside the cave, but he did not step. Sick, visit, out, hare, cave, owl. He did not step what? Next, the panther said to the blank, I am sick. Will you visit me in my cave? The hare went inside the cave, but he did not step out. So next the panther said to the, was it sick, visit, out, hare, cave, or owl? So write your answers in the blanks. All right, on the next page, 15.3, you have to fill in the blank. It says, the tale I like the best from Bedtime's Tales is... So you can pick Mike's Bedtime, The Milk, The Jumping Frog, The Frog Race, The Hare and the Hedgehog, How the Hedgehog Tricked the Hare, The Pancake Part 1, The Pancake Part 2, or The Panther. So on that page, you just have to pick one story that you like the best, and you write it on the line. So the tale I like the best from Bedtime's Tale is, and then fill in the blank. Remember, when you write it, the first letter of every word is capitalized because it is a title. So if my favorite story was Mike's Bedtime, I would capitalize the M and then the B. Just like that. So you need to make sure the first letter of your title is capitalized and the first letter of each word in your title as well. And then in the tale, tell me what happened in the tale. What happened in the beginning, middle, and end. So write 3 to 4 sentences retelling the story that is your favorite. And then the last one is the reasons I like this tale. So give me at least 2 reasons why you picked whatever story you like the best. Okay? Remember, sentences begin with capital letters. They end with punctuation marks like periods, question marks, or exclamation points. All right? I hope you have a good day. Bye.